Let's get to work on these little beauties. My almond cupcakes topped with a whipped white chocolate ganache and chunks of almond honeycomb. To start off, I've got some almond meal in here, a little bit of self-raising flour and some salt. I always love to add a bit of salt to my baking. This is going to make quite a dense cupcake and it'll be quite rich because of all that beautiful almond meal. Now I need to cream together my butter and sugar and into my lovely mixer. Caster sugar. Caster sugar is going to dissolve more quickly. And I've also got some vanilla extract. I love it because it's got the little vanilla seeds in it. Right, okay, so this goes down and really needs to beat up well. That's looking lovely and light and white. Add 3 eggs, one at a time, in case they have specks in them. And mix through. Then fold in the dry ingredients. Now we want to put it evenly into our cupcakes. 2 dessert spoons, 1 with it on, and then you can just scrape it off. And the lucky last. And these just go into the oven for 25 minutes at 180 degrees. Now I can do the beautiful whipped white chocolate ganache topping. So here I have some cream cheese and I've got some white chocolate that I've melted. Let the white chocolate cool because you don't want to add hot white chocolate to cold cream cheese or it could seize. So I just like to give it a little mix by hand first, just to get it amalgamated. I can use my little hand mixer for this. And I just want to achieve a little bit of lightness. There, that's enough. Doesn't take long. This just needs to go into the fridge to firm up. And now I can get on with the honeycomb, which is something I absolutely love. Into the pan, melt butter, honey and caster sugar. Okay, just 5 minutes and it should be golden brown and bubbly. Then add salt, bicarb soda and toasted almonds, followed by vanilla bean paste. And just stir this gently because the bicarbonate of soda is what helps it foam up to make honeycomb. Oh, and I've got that beautiful aroma of vanilla. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, the great thing about cooking is the way that you transform the ingredients. You just put them in and then something magical happens, especially for something that we all love, like honeycombs. Now that's got to cool and then I can put it all together. My cakes have cooled. I took them out of the oven and rested them in the tin on a wire rack. That's to really enhance the cooling. And then as soon as the tin was cool enough, I was able to put them on the rack because you don't want them to go soggy from condensation by staying in a hot tin. And now that they are completely cold, I can ice them and finish them off. So this is my whipped white chocolate and cream cheese ganache. So to finish off, I think a little sprinkle of magic, a little bit of fairy dust, some hearts and some stars. And there you've got my almond cupcakes with a whipped white chocolate ganache and almond honeycomb.